Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 12 Pro, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So basically all we have to do is to open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, so if you've got the back button, the home, the kind of home button, and the recents, you will have to tap on recents. And the icon for it is, I believe, the square icon. So just tap on it and the recents will appear. If you've got the gestures, just like me, all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and do it kind of slowly and hold your finger somewhere here. So just like that. And now we can release the finger, and as you can see here, we've got the recents. And basically, if you want to, you can close only one of it or 2 of them. Just find the app you'd like to remove and swipe it up just like that. But if you've got a lot of apps opened, then simply tap on the trash bin icon. As you can see, we just got back to the home page. We've got the information about the clearing option, kind of. So we can enter the recents to check, and here we've got only one, which stayed, but after removing it, you can see that here we've got no recent items, which simply means that we just successfully closed all background tabs. So basically that's all. This is how to turn off running apps in your INFINIX Note 12 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.